Oh, hiya guys, Shep from Laser Tools here. Sorry I'm late. Let's get cracking with today's products. So the first item we're going to look at today are these 3-ply face masks. They come as a box of 50 and they are attached with elastic around the ears, and in here on the nose piece there's a wire so you can secure it across your nose bridge. These are commonly used in the medical and dentistry industry and also used in food preparation as well. These are a very efficient mask and they provide up to 98% of bacteria filtration. Now let's move on to the next item within the PPE range. So the next item doing are these direction floor stickers. Non-slip, self-adhesive, highly visible, and now shops and retail outlets are starting to open. These are just what we need to direct customers around your premises. So the first tools we've got to show you today are these VAG and Porsche wiring terminal connector removal tools. This one we've had in the range for a while, which is a T-bar design. It has small barbs on the end which goes into the plug and allows you to extract the plug. New into the range is this larger brother, which is now a kink on the shaft and longer, which gives you access into difficult to reach areas. Let me show you on a wiring plug on this fan. So on this style of terminal, what tends to happen is people break the tab off, and this tool simply hooks in on its barbs here into the unit, and then you pull back and extract the plug, preventing snapping off of the tab. So the next item we have today is brand new into the Laser Tools range, and it is this 11-piece oil filler kit. The kit consists of 9 different caps, which are all different colours and also have different fittings, whether it be bayonet or thread fixing. On top of each cap is also written on there a vehicle manufacturer, so it's easy to identify which cap you need for your vehicle. Also within the kit we have an angle which can be used if your oil filler is down the front of the engine, which also brings the funnel back upright. Let me show you how it goes together and works on this Audi behind me. So we quite simply identify which cap we need, as stated on the top also, VAG. This fits nice and cleanly into our filler like that. The funnel can now be fitted into the adapter, and this provides us with a hands-free funnel sitting on the vehicle for clean and efficient oil filling. Now once we finish using our oil filler kit, we can remove it from the vehicle, not forgetting the adapter, and use it to also store all of our caps within it. So they're all there, ready for next time that we want to use it. Moving on to our next item, we have here our 3rd generation of our shock absorber toolkit. This consists of go-through style sockets which cover from 16 to 24 mil, and also holding tools for holding the top of the shock absorber to stop it turning while we're undoing it. It's a simple tool but very effective. I'll just show you roughly how it works on this strut I have here. So first of all, we select our go-through style socket from the kit, the size of the nut required for the strut. We then take our ratchet, which clips securely onto the top of there. We decide from the kit which bit we need, in this case a hex bit. Take our holding tool, which is magnetic, insert that through the centre, which now gives us our holding tool. We can put a ratchet or T-bar on there and now use our ratchet while the centre of the strut is non-turning. Also within this kit we have different styles of holding tool, whether it be single hex design or the slotted design commonly found on the VAG range of struts. And finally within the kit we have two extensions, one as a bit holder and one for the sockets. These are used commonly if you're working within the top of a spring compressor and it allows you to come out of the cage at the top. Similar spring compressors to what we showed you last week. And finally today we have two more products, one from our laser tools range and one from our Connect workshop consumable range. The first one I'll show you is this Ratcheting self-adjusting brake pipe cutter, which is ideal for on-vehicle use for working in a very small and tight area. I haven't got a vehicle in the workshop today, so I'll show you it working on this bit of brake pipe here. Come closer. So we quite simply push our pipe cutter over our pipe, and now we can use the ratchet action to simply cut our pipe, which leaves us a nice finish. I'll now show you how to join this pipe, which will be attached to the vehicle, to a new piece of pipe by using our inline connectors from our consumable range. We insert the nut, then the olive onto the pipe, join together and tighten up with a spanner. We can now just simply repeat the process on our adjoining pipe. So we put on our tube nut, our olive, insert, and then tighten up in the same way we did on the other side. Once this is tight, this should provide us with a simple, leak-free but effective fixing on the vehicle. So within this kit there are 4 different size connectors covered, whether it be joining the brake pipes or fuel lines or any other metal pipes on a vehicle, they can be used. So guys, that's all we have time for this week, but as always, stay connected and stay safe.